Hey, what's up, Angela? Good afternoon. This is Peter Gilpin with SEO Dallas, Texas. Thanks for taking the time to click this video and watch. I spoke to you real briefly earlier about just shooting you guys a quick video on some things you could do to improve your website to help bring in more customers. Now, if you're wondering why I'm making this video, I just find that a lot of business owners don't really have the time to learn how to make the internet work for themselves. They're too busy, handling day-to-day operations, and typically the only thing that will hold them back from hiring a marketing agency is they just don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So when we give these attack plans out for free, people will still call us back and say, you know what, Peter, I like you. I'd just rather you take care of this for me. So at the end of the video, if you find I do have some tips and tricks up my sleeve and could be a benefit to you guys as a business, I'd love the opportunity to talk more about it. And if you just want to take this information, apply it yourself, and run with it, that works fine with me too. My goal is just to help you guys if I can. So what I want to go over, Angela, is just how to make you guys' website more of an authority, how to make it more trustworthy, and how to get you guys ranked locally in Google's map pack, okay? So just starting off by looking at it real briefly, I like your logo. I like the snowflake with the sun. That's pretty cool. The ice. Um, you guys have pictures, I would assume. I believe you said you were the owner's wife. I would assume that this is your husband. So that's cool. Or somebody that works there. People like transparency, want to know who they're working with, put a face to a name. But yeah, all in all, the website doesn't look too bad. That what I can say mainly is that you guys do need more content. Like obviously it's not blank, but to be considered authoritative in the eyes of Google, they want to see between 1,500 to 2,000 words, and the reason being is they're gonna put the person at the top of the list of their search results to the person who has the most content that can answer a consumer's question, right? The average homepage on Google has 1,800 words, so that's why that 1,500 to 2,000 words is that sweet spot. Another thing too, while I'm here, okay, see how your image is just saved as original? Each one of these pictures you can save as a keyword, right? Like AC Heating Company, Woodlands, Texas, or Woodlands, Texas HVAC contractor, right? You could go back through and resave each one of your pictures as a keyword, and that'll also help you guys out in Google's algorithm. Next, I want to go to a tool we use called Ahrefs. It costs us about $1,000 a month, but it just gives us extremely valuable data that goes on in the back end of your website. And touching on how to make it more trustworthy is all based on how many other relevant websites are linking back to yours, right? So you can see you guys only have 10 referring domains, and it's a good start. The main thing to keep in mind is moving forward, any of these links that you guys have like point back to you and you go put your website link on, it's vital that they're relevant to your guys' industry, right? Like directories aren't bad, but for example, like you don't want a bunch of pizza companies linking back to you guys because you don't make pizza, right? Google doesn't trust that and they catch on to it very quickly. This is one of your competitors, the Woodlands AC. We actually plugged them in here too. And again, you can see like these guys are ranking number 1 in Google's spot. Again, touching on their content, you can see they don't even have 2,000 words, I don't think, but you can see they just have a lot more content. But plug their information over here in Ahrefs as well. They don't have many more referring domains, but the main thing is that I'll show you here in a second. Let's see. RS heating, see up Blogspot. See, that's a good one. Carrier furnace, that's a good one because it's these are like products related to you guys' industry. Yeah, these guys have a lot of trust because there are a lot of relevant websites that they have backlinks on. Um, what I'm touching on when I say that is like this ratio of your URL rating to your domain rating. We want to see it a 1, right? So these guys are doing really, really good. They're only keeping relevant links pointing back to them. So that's something to keep in mind moving forward as you guys continue to grow your online presence. And same thing too, you guys weren't really ranking for a bunch of keywords, but just to give you an idea of like the keywords you want to put in your content when you do add more, is like the Woodlands AC, Woodlands Heating and AC. See, these are really good keywords. The Woodlands Heating and Air Conditioner, 30 people a month are searching for that. These guys are in the number 1 position on Google, so that's 10 people a month making it to their website alone just through that search, the Woodlands Heating and Air Conditioning. So you can see why you need to have more content as well as keywords that are buyer intent and related to someone that needs your services. Last thing is how to get you guys ranked locally in the Google's map pack, right? I just typed in generic HVAC contractor Woodlands, Texas. Again, the Woodlands heating and AC, like they're coming up, but basically all you guys need to do, like all that's based on is how many citations you have. And all a citation is how many times your business name, email address, and phone number are listed in different directories throughout the internet, like Yelp, Yext, white pages, yellow pages, Angie's List, Craigslist is even one, Home Advisor, Facebook accounts. So yeah, literally all you need to do to take over these spots is find out the exact same directories that these guys are in and add yourself to 50 more on top of that, and you guys are going to see some more traffic that way. But yeah, Angela, that's pretty much all I got. I know it was a lot of information, so just a quick recap. Content is king. You guys' website doesn't look bad, but it would benefit you guys to add more content. And again, be ranking for those keywords like that have buyer intent, like the Woodlands AC and Woodlands Heating and AC. And that's gonna help favor Google's algorithm for you guys and start getting you guys some more traffic. Um, and then for your backlinks too, make sure moving forward, like any backlinks or websites that you have linked back to you, they got to be relevant to your industry. You guys are going to shoot yourself in the foot that way. And then getting ranked locally in Google's Map Pack is just all about citations. Find the same business directories that these guys are listed in, add yourself to the same ones and put 50 more on top, and you guys would be golden. Yeah, so that's pretty much all I got for you, Miss Angela. I'll have this video over to you real shortly. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to let me know. If there was anything I could do to help you guys out moving forward, feel free to let me know. I'd love the opportunity to talk more about it. Again, my name is Peter. I'm with SEO Dallas, Texas. My number is 682-269-6391. Again, that's 682-269-6391. Thanks, Angela. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye.